In these difficult circumstances, we are all looking for an additional source of income in addition to our job, or for a source of income if you are still at university. For this reason, you can also make profits like this while you are at home. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, activate the bell button, and follow the explanation of this video until the end. As Robert Kiyosaki said, if you do not have the courage, you will give up your dreams every time life fails you. And remember, making money from the internet requires an adventurer who is not afraid of losing money. In this video, you will see how I made a huge amount of money online within 2 days. In addition to his $247,864, this is exactly the amount I was able to earn in 2 days. At the same time, you do not need huge investments or a lot of wasted time. You simply invest money and make money. But the payments from the project that I received went to my wallet. If you want to earn real money online, be sure to watch the video until the end, like it, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to leave a comment. I hope everyone enjoys watching. Welcome. You are on the channel 10x Million. Today we have the third review of the new long-term investment project. The project is completely new. It was launched recently. Project from a trusted and proven official. The admin always keeps projects and lets you earn money for more than a month. There are jobs that last up to 2 months, so you can safely enter, invest, and earn money with or without investing in the affiliate program. This is what the startup map homepage looks like. The profit rate ranges from 139% to 599%. Investments from 100 rubles or $1 to 1,000, 0 rubles or 10,000 rubles. Accumulated profit every 9 minutes. The deposit is from 24 hours up to 59 hours. Profit includes the deposit amount. You can also calculate your income through the profit calculator. I consider my profits today. I will invest 35,000 rubles. My profit will be $209,650 rubles or $2,140. And every 9 minutes I will receive 1310 rubles. Here we see the latest transactions, i.e., the latest renewals and the latest payments from the project. In this project, you can earn money without investment using one program. The affiliate program is divided into 3 states. The first VIP status is 17.5%, 2%, 1%, and so on. The case of the second partner is 19%, 2.1%, and so on. The third place values are 20%, 2.3%, and so on. My friends, this is how you will earn money without investment. Here we see the statistics of the company, which includes more than 3,937 participants. Invest more than 12,600,000 rubles, more than 3,777,000 Russian rubles were paid. The new project has been ongoing for more than 2 days. The company accepts the popular payment systems Chewy, money, bank cards, and cryptocurrencies. Friends, there are also reviews on this project. Here, project investors sincerely leave their comments regarding payments. This proves that the project pays and that the project can be trusted. But now I will go to my personal account to make a payment from the project and create a new deposit. This is what our personal account looks like. My replenishment amount in this project is 55,000 rubles. My payment amount is 71,000. Friends, I have already earned almost 250,000 rubles in this project. Also in this project, I earn money without investments. That is, in an affiliate program, without partners. At the moment I have approximately 3,000 rubles. My balance is 76,000. Now I will pay from the project. I chose the payer payment system. The payment amount is 176,000 rubles. You can also see my previous batches of this project. The project pushes the status of my application successfully. Let me go to my wallet, as we can see. I received money in addition to 176,000 rubles. Friends, the project does not take any commission at all. Okay, since the project is paying, I will now create a new deposit. Today I will strengthen myself. I will invest 35,000 rubles. I go to the 11th tariff plan. I eat 599% for 24 hours. Accumulated profit every 9 minutes. I chose the payer payment system. Invested 35,000 rubles, and the profit after 24 hours will be 209,650 rubles or $2,140. And every 9 minutes I will get 1,310 rubles. Now I will transfer 35,000 rubles to this wallet, and we will continue. Friends, as we can see, my statistics in my personal account have changed. Now my replenishment amount is 90,000 rubles, and the payment amount is 247,000. Let me go to my deposit. Well, friends, my new deposit of 35,000 rubles has been successfully created. With this, I say goodbye to you. So don't miss the chance to make money with me in this new powerful project. I wish everyone good luck. Goodbye, everyone.